Hello, today we are going to be making a recipe that I've made since I was in college, and my sidekick Serena here is dumping and measuring to keep her busy while we make her some fresh Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
Yeah, some Play-Doh. So Play-Doh is something that I have made since I was in college. I got this recipe when I was in college, and it does, yeah, I don't know. We're going to focus here. This is a keep forever Play-Doh. So this Play-Doh stays for a long time. I've made this and taken it into many classrooms.
This one.
And have this in my classroom.
This one.
Yes, we're going to add some of those ingredients. So what you'll need, this is a double recipe. You'll see it calls for 2 cups of flour. We've doubled that, and then Serena put her spoon in and helped us. And so you can see in there, I added the 4 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and so I doubled it to say 4 cups of flour and 8 teaspoons of cream of tartar. And then we need 2 cups of salt, and you can see I was wiping out my cast iron skillet. There's 2 cups of salt there, and then it only calls for 1 for a single batch, and I will share those in the comments or in the link below. So then we have 2 cups of water it calls for, and you add the food coloring into that. I am using a natural food coloring. You can find this, I ordered this through a co-op that I'm a part of, but they're becoming more readily available. You can get them. This one actually are plant-based colors, and this is non-GMO'd and gluten-free and allergen-free, and that's what we want to do, is reduce the toxins for our little ones. And then our recipe also calls for 2 tablespoons, a single recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of salad oil, and I have 4 tablespoons in here. And it is best, my professor taught me, I went to school to be an early childhood teacher. I actually went to school to be pre-dental hygiene, and then when I met my husband, I knew I wanted to keep our debt a lot more manageable, so I changed my major to something that I knew would be feasible to pay off and that would benefit our family. So I was a preschool teacher for a couple years, well, a handful of years after I graduated from college. And this recipe came from my classes at the local community college. And so this is a natural plant-based dye. They carry the natural dyes also at Kroger now. They carry them. A friend of mine just did a recipe and posted and said she got hers there. And I saw some around Thanksgiving. So I'm going to just dispose of this in the trash can. Pardon me, you're looking in my sink, but it's helpful. Look here at this little one. You cutie. Hang on. You want a little something of that over there?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know that we're going to do that right this moment. So then what I'm going to do is, I like to add essential oils into my Play-Doh, but I'm going to do that towards when I add in the liquid. So what we do here is, the idea is you dump this flour
Mommy.
and cream of tartar. Yep, thank you. Hang on, I'm going to add something else in here.
This one, Mom. This one.
That spoon, I can use that spoon. Thank you. And the 2 cups of salt, and we want to heat this up. This is what will save you time, is if you, in a skillet, will heat up the cream of tartar, the salt, and the flour. Okay, so you can turn that up on medium heat. And when that is warmed up, then you're going to add in your liquid, and I already have the oil in there, and then I will add my essential oil once I have got it all in here. Okay, so we have this. This is heated up. There is some heat to this. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add the water, and we want to mix it. Oh my. I normally would have used white flour, but this is what I had. So you want to stir it. And I'm going to show you here. Thank you. Okay. And now I'm going to add in my essential oil to this here. And then I will